Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check Agoda booking ID. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to check the booking with the booking ID in Agoda, you just simply have to open your Agoda application at first, and after opening the Agoda application, you just simply have to tap into this My Trips option at the bottom. Just simply tap there and you will get so many options into here. You just simply have to select which type of booking you want to check, this upcoming, completed or cancelled. Just simply select any of the bookings and into there you will get to see this ID option. This is called the booking ID for your booking in Agoda. Now, this way you can easily check the booking ID into Agoda, and you can easily search or find using this booking ID. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.